Hello, my name is Dr. Marina Kostina and I'm here to help you move from lethargic status quo to ravenous living. And today we're going to talk about a really cool phenomenon in hypnosis called Chevreul Pendulum. So this is the phenomena I'm going to show you in a second. There is a lot of mystery around pendulum, right? And we talk about pendulum in energy work, but in hypnosis it's a little bit different. So let's check it out. Today I have Carlos here and we're going to demonstrate how Chevreul's pendulum works. So I have a piece of paper with a circle here and there are letters A, B, C, D. So look what's going to happen. I'm going to demonstrate first and then Carlos is going to do it. We'll see how he does. Alright, so I'm going to put it right here in the middle and I'm going to just look A, B, A, B, and then I'm going to look at C, D. C, D. You see how it changes the direction. Now I'm going to look in the circle A, C, B, D. As you see, my hand doesn't move, but the pendulum moves because I am looking with my eyes. If you can look at my eyes, they're going A, C, B, D, in the circle. Okay? So we're gonna see if Carlos can do it. Okay, okay.
No pressure.
Let's go.
Okay,
so put it in the middle. Put it in the middle, and let's just look A, B. Look A, B.
A, B. A, B.
Pretty good. He's not moving his hand.
B.
Now look C, D.
C, D. C, D. C, D.
Good job.
D.
So you see how it changes. Not like mine. No, I'm just kidding. You did awesome. Okay, so now A, C, B, D. So look,
A, C, B, D. A, C, B, D. A, C, B, D.
Thank you so much. You did very good. So even though his motions are a little bit smaller than mine, they still were going. First in the horizontal, then in vertical direction, and then in a circle. You did awesome. So what you just watched is called Chevreul's Pendulum phenomena in hypnosis. And it comes from the name of Michel Chevreul, a French scientist who lived in the 19th century. And before that, in the ancient times, pendulum was always associated with occult sciences, right? Something magical. And so he actually proved that there is magic, of course, to our behavior, but it is really based on science. Our body, watch out, listen carefully, our body really reacts to things that we imagine with high intensity as if these things already happen. This reaction, so whatever you focus on, right, our subconscious mind starts working really hard and start making subconsciously the movements towards that goal, towards that object or thing that you're focusing on. So the entire body responds physically and chemically to something that we focus for a prolonged amount of time on. So we have several implications, right? First of all, what are you focusing on in your life, right? So whatever you focus on expands, and that's where the motion goes. The famous expression, what you resist persists. So if you focus on resisting something, it's going to keep coming into your life and you're going to behave in a way that you keep attracting it. But for hypnosis, what does it mean? For hypnosis, it means two things for us. One, I check if my clients, for example, Carlos, right, if they have resistance towards hypnosis, and so I can adjust my tactic, right? But also it shows the most amazing thing, that you are the one who is doing the hypnosis. No hypnotist can hypnotize you, and that is the truth. And so those of you who are scared of hypnosis, you need to understand one thing: you're the one who is doing all of the work. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you learned something interesting, and sign up for my channel, and of course like and share, and hey, check out my sessions and let's have a session together, either virtually or face to face.